What's up, everybody? Hey, it's Rob coming at you with a quick little video on what this trade war means for you and your real estate portfolio on the residential side. So we're speaking specifically on the residential side. What does this mean? Should you be concerned? What does it mean for your friends, your family? And I'll tell you what I'm seeing and what the data is kind of showing, right? So talked to a good friend of mine. He's a loan officer. He does a lot of loans. And he said, interest rates are amazing right now. Why? Because there's a lot of insecurity in the market. When there's insecurity in the market, when corporations feel like this could affect their future earnings, there is a flock to safety in the bond market. And what it does is it helps drive down mortgage interest rates, right? Which is what we've seen. But on a given day, because there's so much, news that's occurring like real time, you'll see this kind of fluctuating back and forth. Some of the news is positive, for corporations, and that actually lifts interest rates. And then there's negative news, right, in the market, and it scares everybody. And then you see interest rates actually come down. So on the mortgage interest rate side, right now has been a great time for a lot of people to refinance. We've seen a new little wave of that, and also to get into a loan. On the new construction side, there's concern, though, that these tariffs are increasing the pricing. We've already seen and talked to some builders where they're seeing increased pricing on their materials, and what that's going to do is that will then affect the price of that new construction property, which then means that the person that's interested in buying a new construction home is probably going to pay a little bit of a premium because of what's happening in the trade war, right? So we've got to see, we're going to kind of like hold our breath and see what happens with new construction. But what I would love to do is kind of see how this plays out over the next 12 months. I predict that we're going to see more negative news, and interest rates are going to hold steady, and if not, come down even a little bit more. That's what I predict. As we start seeing some negative news, as we start seeing some chinks in the armor out there, with corporations, I am concerned that it's going to cause everybody to panic a little bit, and it could start depressing prices a little bit. I'm hoping it won't, but I suspect that it will, right, over the next couple years. So I do see where that's going to happen. We're preparing for it. We're talking to our clients about it now. In fact, there are many investor clients that I have that are waiting for that exact same thing to happen. So anyhow, if you have questions about this specifically, I'd love to chat with you about it. Feel free to call me. If you're wondering whether or not this is a great time to refinance or not, or if you're wondering about whether you should sell now or wait 2 years from now, I have definite opinions about that as well. Or if you're thinking about buying additional investments, right? Is now the time to do it, or should you wait? So anyhow, let's have a discussion. Feel free to give me a call, or anybody in the CAZA group. Everybody's trained on how to buy, renovate, resell properties, so that we're adding value past just helping you buy and sell a home the traditional way. We're adding value and really being your real estate financial advisor as part of your portfolio. Make it a great day, and look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.